lake right now. And that's a good feeling. It's a real good feeling. I can't really sing other people's songs. You could get copyright infringement. Alright. I say alright a lot probably. I think I analyze myself. People with the tufts. Yeah. Oh yeah. I hear these people right here get like $5,000 a month or something to have that tower in their yard.
Yeah, I want to do that.
I heard you can get tumors, but at least you got that $5K a month. That's steady income.
Right.
I can live the best life while I'm here. You know what I do with $5,000 extra a month? I don't even know if it really is radioactive shit. That's why I just hear.
I mean, it's a possibility.
Shut up, my tree. It is a possibility. I've heard.
We trimmed all this stuff.
I've watched plenty of YouTube. The corn is turning.
It's different.
It's different. It's different. Oh.
This is crazy. Why is that guy going like in the lane?
What
happened?
in the fuck? Oh.
You're over this way.
What? That guy just broke down. What's going
Maybe
on?
so. Looks like it.
I hate breaking down. I mean, I imagine most people. Anyway. Nice tree. Here we go. Oh. The best one though is this Junction 69 up here. I really like it. Big fan of. I guess that's 69 that way, right?
Yeah.
There it is. There's 69. I-69. Holler if you do too.
Here you go.
There it is. Junction 69. Yeah, baby! Yeah, baby! I got a little excited. Damn though. We got this Cadillac Escalade coming up on us. Right here. Can you see it? Behind you? Okay. Here we go. We're getting off at this exit right shot.
Where's the thing at?
It's up
after
here.
that lane?
Yeah, it does this weird thing right here. Here we are at the beautiful Calvert City. I love Calvert City. Shout out! Kentucky Dam. Exit 27. And here we are. And like, if you eat over there at their Mickey D's or their Waffle House, it's a really great view of the whole little thing. And their exits. Look at their exits. Look how Fire Loves looks right now. There's a Love's truck. Oh, that looks so good. My gosh. Loves. Oh, it's love, baby loves. Loves.
They have tile homes.
Oh no.
Customer 70.
That happened.
Shower is ready. Please proceed to shower 7.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, look, it's getting close.
Look, this yours. Mine. Sure enough, there it was. Plugged into the back of the TV. I was like, duh.
They're not spilling a drop. All that water behind all that. Celebration me right midnight. Oh, see, sometimes I zoom out too far. I think I'm supposed to keep my camera at the 1.
Yeah.
But like, I'll be like, so.
Like, put it on the 0.5, it gets like a bigger
Volcano. Kentucky Lake Volcano.
Yeah.
Didn't know we had one of those, did you, Yosemite?
Whoa.
God damn.
Dang.
Dang, Don Andretti.
Well, look at this motorcycle.
Hi. He's going. He's got a little pack on his back too. I wonder if he's going to camp up at LVL.
Maybe.
It's like just me and the bike this weekend.
Yeah.
Can go up to LVL, get myself campsite, unwind, get some fish, flame up. Oh yeah, get it, brother. On a steel horse. There it is.
Grand River. Our village between the lakes.
Welcome to the village between the lakes.
We'll go check out the waters.
See how it's going at the water. See how it's doing. Take our time. Yeah. Sailboats on sailboats. Oh, kayaks.
Yep.
These things for rent. We should rent us one of these sometime.
Industry.
The industry. A big old boat. Oh, that is waiting to go in that lock. Oh, wow, they put these chairs out.
Wow. That's nice.
Yeah.
You want a copy?
Yeah.
Here it is.
Which way?
Over here. There's a bird right out there on that rock.
Yeah, there is.
You can see the little cabins right up there.
Yeah.
There's one.
That's crazy. Which way you want to go?
Over here, I guess.
Has this always been here? Yeah. I don't remember it for some reason.
Me neither. Just load it up.
Yeah, this is loaded up in the game right here. Oh yeah, Donnie. Oh. I almost fell off. Or not off, but I didn't know that step was so steep right there. Yeah. That lighthouse over there is so quaint. Quaint. Quaint, man, that's one of my favorite words, right? This whole shit is quaint. This is quite quaint.
Quite quaint.
Yay, Don.
Hey, Dave.
You were in like, I had to get you with the flag. It was all like,
Oh, yeah. Was it kind of epic?
it was kind of epic. We're going up this way?
I don't know.
That's fine. Let's
Is
do
this
it.
went on the path that it put for me?
Let's do it. You know what this is all called? Yeah, riff raff.
How did I know that?
I don't know.
Is that really what it is?
It's really riff raff. Yeah.
How in the heck did I know that? Here we go.
Uh-oh. Riff raff. Give it to me. Oh, watch out for that. It is warm. Just soak it up. It'll be cold before too long. And instead of these shots, we'll be in the woods. Look, this. You know, like I'm gonna put one of those trendy little YouTube songs that they got available for everybody. Like that they have like the montage of all the like. Yeah. Okay. Hey, roll that footage. Uh-oh. Now they really went all out with this, didn't they? Look at this whole 360-degree view of like just wonderfulness. I feel like singing the Full House theme song right now.
Yeah.
Whatever happened. Oh, see, I don't want to get copyright infringed, but just imagine that's playing right now. What is it? A rare condition?
Yeah, and that's family.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Damn. Well, both them songs.
Like you can see the shore, you can see the rocks. Wait, it's really shallow right there.
Yeah. Coral reef. Leave in the comments below if you want to leave anything. Just go ahead, leave it. Leave it there. Leave it in the comments. But there's something about like a marina full of sailboats that just looks right. It's just like.
It's hard to get
Like,
all of you. You're so tall.
is that better?
Yeah.
There's a guy down there banging on shit. Ruining my clips. That's the wind's crazy up here.
Oh, I bet. That's scary.
Kind of scary. Hi. How y'all? Pretty good.
Flowers.
Shout out to flowers. And sea-dews. I'm gonna get one of those today. You think our pizza's ready?
Yeah, I hope so.
Okay.
I think by the time we make it to it, it might be.
I'll have to see the pizza. Toodles. Look at the keel on this boat. I think she's worthy. Medora Jane.
Yep.
That's the up in her right there. Wildcat. Little bitty keel. You know? And then the inside of it. Oh, look.
Yep.
Alright. Okay, now we're going to get a pizza. got a sailboat going in. How picturesque. You know? Isn't that beautiful with the little boat and the flowers and the little dinghy? Here we go. Cabin pizza. This is where it's at.
Yeah, I guess I'll park right here.
Okay. Cabin pizza's down there. There, you can always see. Down in that door.
Got it.
She got the pizza.
I'm on a hill. We
Yeah.
have 2 forks and some napkins.
Yeah.
My receipt. Okay. Sheesh.
We are on a slant here.
Yes. Man. Okay.
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me push this together for more aesthetic pleasing. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Shout out Cabin Pizza.
Shout out Cabin Pizza. And here we are. Gone through Grand Rivers.
Right
That's
here.
right.
Yeah.
We made it, Donnie.
Yeah, we did. That one over there is probably better.
This one?
That one way over there.
Or way over here?
No.
That?
Way over there. By
that-
that blue trash can. This might be fine. Look, this is shady.
You sure?
Yeah. What do you think? Or should we go over there?
Let's go over there.
All right. I'm just trying to be lazy.
It's only a little farther.
It is.
And it's all ducked off and everything.
It's better.
It really is. Uh-oh. Watch out for the bird poop. We'll get the avionic flu or whatever. Okay.
We don't want that.
No.
My spot's not good.
Mine's not that great. I got like an edge. Sit in the middle right there. And watch out for the spots.
Yeah.
Well, that's the price you pay for
We'll
shade.
put it right here. Here.
I'm sure. Is it like getting us both?
We
Probably
don't know.
is. Probably
We don't
good.
know. We'll never know.
Cheers, mate.
Cheers.
Uh-huh.
Really good.
This is pretty.
Those people are coming back for the hippo.
No wonder you can ever find any like vacancies or anything to move into in this town. But it's like, dare I say, quaint as fuck. Like, for instance, when we were walking up, you can probably see it if you're flying the footage back. There's a garden hose. And over there, all those trash cans. You can't leave those laying around where we're from. Everybody be having trash cans the very next day.
And they're all really clean.
Yeah, I would move here. Whoa.
Right.
Should we try it?
Probably.
Now that I'm ready for another piece almost.
Yep. How it goes.
Even the crust is good. It's all braided up.
Oh no.
Yeah, put them on here. It's probably fine if the Grand River's there.
Yeah.
You can't see that dirty. Ooh, clean town.
It's all natural.
When you find yourself in a picturesque moment, cherish it. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off. 'Cause who knows how much memory I have left right here. All right, we're leaving this park, but I just had to get some of that hippopotamus footage right there. Dawn finishing her pizza. All right, people in the golf carts. Let's go. Dawnoo's in one of these porta potties. I wonder which porta potty Dawnoo's in. Lane's mobile Dawnoo. Dawnoo? Yeah. This one. I'm sorry. What? You got one that's like slanted back.
They always are.
So, look at this tree. It's nice, huge. Wow. Look at the size of that tree. It's pretty. Dawnoo got us an ice cream bar. She done bit hers. She is ready. That's the village market. Okay, now we're on our way to the lake though. Now. Gee. Made it. Just like I was saying, I didn't walk in the fact we made it already. So that'd be very detailed. And the fact that we're about to make it. We're on our way to making it. Yeah. Yeah. Well, it's a hike in the heat. The water's gonna feel good though. Wow. We almost made it. Yeesh. We're making it. Oh. We made it. Dang. Okay.
Jeez.
Pretty out here today. Got a choppy lake today. We got a bunch of people down there swimming. It's a party down there. We've been way back here because we're antisocial. Antisocial. Good waves today. Now we're going to the water. Got these lake shoes on. Necessities. I'm telling you. Yeah. fancy shoes, boy. What a magnificent shot. Look at dawnoo living her best life. Heck yeah. That's beautiful. You see that shark? Yeah. Look. Oh my, damn, there's a shark over there. Shark! Run for your life! I'm coming your way, dawnoo. What? She's getting out there. She's a wild one. All right.
Here we are.
dawnoo! We made it. There's a car up there. Hey. Okay. This black strap gets in the way of the lens sometimes. You gotta watch her. I'm gonna paddle out. Yeah, there's some waves coming. dawnoo, you're way over there. Yeah, I know. What was that? Orcas. Orcas! Might be some orcas out here. Just get to me. Get to me, I'll tie you off. You're almost there.
My endurance is gone.
Your endurance is gone.
I got nothing.
Come on. We're almost there, dawnoo. Take my hand.
Oh,
Oh yeah. Yeah.
oh,
Wait,
goodness.
Alright. Here.
Jeez.
Film for a second. Watch out for this black thing. It's sort of gets in the way.
Gosh.
We made it.
Man.
water's way over there.
I know. You want your shoes on or off?
I don't care. Thank you. Good now.
It's hard. It's never this hard.
Well, it's rough seas, you know.
It is. Yeah. Whoa, orca. Hear it?
Oh my gosh.
What?
I said, oh my gosh.
What?
The water's rough. We're rough seas, you know. Dang! Oh. I hope my raft is holding up.
What?
I said, I hope my raft is holding up. I thought I heard this sound. I am kind of sunk into it quite a bit.
Yeah, brother.
We're almost to the shore.
What?
We're close to the shore.
How good is
You
that?
know it?
You hear that orca?
No.
Orca. I smell it. It's orca.
Oh, I heard it.
Oh, it just grazed by my foot. What?
I thought I felt it under my butt, but it was you, I think. Get us out there.
All right, we made it out here. It's no man's land. Oh my God,
What?
this little dude.
Is he from land?
I think so.
He's cute.
What do we do with him?
I don't know. Put him on my hat.
He's on the camera.
Alright. He's a flying bug anyway.
Yeah, well, he was just in this water completely, holding onto that stream like underwater. Here comes a big red boat.
can definitely tell that my float feels funny.
Yeah?
Maybe not.
You want my float?
No.
My float has plenty of air.
No, it's fine. Yeah. Here.
Now we're out here.
Yeah. Sort of. We're pretty far out. Okay, here, it's your turn.
Where's that bug?
I don't know.
How was that? I think it's dry. Crazy. I'm probably on here all like, ah. Jeez. Well, that was ridiculous. That was crazy. Hard to swim with one hand. These people got it figured out in the houseboat. Yeah. Oh shit, they did? Look, I had it all zoomed in, so I don't know if I even saw them waving, but that's cool. Oh, we got a cloud overhead. Look at that, skipping rock. Let's see. Oh, this thing. I wonder if I like put the binocular up to them. Hold on, let me zoom back out. Okay. Look at that bug. Thanks. Damn that bug. I had it too. There. It did work.
Yeah.
Little bitty turtles. Look at them. Turtle power. Turtle power, y'all. How cute. Just precious. Wait, is it a turtle? Man, it ain't no turtle. It's not even a turtle. It sticks. See? I'm gonna get my shoes on and stuff. Look at that. What is it, Don?
Like the cicadas or something just started up.
Yeah, I heard that cicada.
It stopped now. It was like.
What the hell? Why is it upside down? Dang. All right, here's base camp, the hangout zone before we pack it up. Yep, it was a good one. Yeah. And now we got everything we brought. And we're ready. Oh, I just got a rock in my shoe. All right. I don't know why I was running so far ahead. Nice roots, bro. So, no, there's a lot of here. So we're not the last. Maybe that wasn't me. Look at that root.
Look at that white cloud.
Look at it. Wow, lightning just happened up in it. Did you see that? We made it. Dang. Okay, we're gonna unload all this. Look, there was deer, and I swear, it's a cat, man, it's a cat. See, that cat needs help.
My goodness.
Let's see what he does. Come here, kitty, 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 kitty. Come here, kitty, kitty. Come here, kitty, 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 kitty. Come here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Did he get lost? Oh no. Wait. Come here, kitty, kitty. Oh, you're so friendly. My goodness. You're lost at LBL? Here. There's people coming. Here.
What's up there?
Get in there. Get in there.
Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god.
What?
This is crazy, having a cat in the car like this. And I don't have no food. Should I roll the window up?
Yeah.
Door's not shut.
He's a domesticated cat. Like,
Somebody dropped him off.
he may get separated. I might maybe could post on the internet or something about like.
Oh my god. My door's not shut all the way. There's people behind me on this main road.
He's chill.
What do I do? I need to shut my door better and put my seatbelt on. Oh goodness. I gotta shut this better. There. Hopefully that's better. Oh god.
Here.
I didn't get him caught in the door, did I?
No.
Turn right. I got Fred in the trunk.
He's just laying down chilling. This is a cool cat.
I don't got my seatbelt on.
We'll put your seatbelt on.
Yeah, he's cool, but what are we gonna do about him?
I don't have a clue.
Oh man, I need to pull over somewhere and get the bread.
I can't believe this. Out of all the places. Oh.
Aw.
He was hanging out with some deer.
Yeah, I gotta turn around.
Oh, chill.
There's another deer.
Chill.
How do you lose your cat up at LBL?
Somebody has lost their cat at LBL. We have found a cat
Yeah,
at LBL of
Yeah.
all places.
with 2 deer.
Dude was kicking it with 2 deer.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, he's bonking me.
Yeah,
Oh my
it's
God.
a sweet cat, and it's not scared of the car. What's out? There's deer. There's deer. There's deer.
Jeez, oh my gosh. He's got balls.
He does?
Yes,
Oh no.
pretty sure he does.
You saw him?
I'm pretty sure.
Your brights. Hey, kitty. I wish I could see you. Don't fuck that up. Wait, kitty. No, don't sharpen your claws. Hey, cat, chill. Damn. Oh my gosh. That's just laying in the back down there. It's just chilling. It's like, meow, 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 meow. Okay. You ain't gonna sit still?
Oh man.
It's a nah. Maybe he'll fall asleep. Yeah. My adrenaline was going a little
Is
bit
this
though.
it?
Yeah. When I was like realizing I was about to jump in this car with a strange cat.
Yes.
That could be crazy.
Yes. I'm surprised right now that it's going as well as it is.
Yeah, me too.
I cannot believe this.
It's like, this is great. I thought I was gonna fucking get ate by coyotes
I
in
mean,
the
if he
forest.
wasn't so skinny, I'd be thinking that we took him from his home.
But there's nowhere to be a home out there.
No, and he's skinny. He was in the wilderness. Maybe I could stop to get coffee and get a can of cat food or something for him. What do you think? He is skinny. Oh. He's like, damn, I'm down.
He was like, yeah. Well, this has turned out to be an interesting turn of events.
Yeah. I wonder if somebody dropped him off. People do this kind of stuff.
That'd be so fucked.
I know. People do that.
This isn't a place to drop a cat off. Like, no place is a place to drop a cat off. But I'm
No.
thinking, like, the middle of the forest, we found a cat. We've been going to the lake all the damn time, and now we found a cat. You're on a crazy journey right now, aren't you?
Oh my gosh. So sweet. Ah!
It's fine.
He seen me looking at him and came up here. Oh my god, I gotta not look at him.
Kitty, 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 kitty. Poor guy. This guy's checking everybody out. That's a great image right there. Good guy. You're a nice guy. Oh, everything goes good when we get to the house with you. Found you at the lake in the woods, chilling with some deer. You're a real one, cat. A real one. You just bonked your head right on that. Your claw. Here comes Dawn. Okay. Oh.
He's on the picture. He acts like he knows what a can of cat food is.
Yeah.
Oh. He's just purr.
Yeah, he's probably glad he got rescued out the woods.
Yeah.
He was gonna live with the fucking deer family.
Yeah. Oh my God, he's sweet. Okay, should I open this and put it in the back seat or what?
I don't know. Like, I don't know. Because he's being so good. Like, I wonder, should we incorporate any food yet?
Yeah. Well, maybe not. But we've got it.
We do have it. Like, he's being really good.
Yeah.
If he starts, like, not being good, maybe we could, like, change the game up. But, like...
But now he knows I've got it. Oh, my God. He's so sweet. Oh, bonk. He just bonked my coffee out of my cup. All right, little buddy.
Tomorrow we could call, like, the people at LBL, like, at the welcome station.
Yeah.
And see if anybody's reported, like, losing a cat.
Are they open on Mondays, Sundays?
Probably not.
They might be. Here's this can of cat food. All right, Meow.
Damn, I cannot believe this. This was some deer, dude.
Look, he looks like this cat. Morris.
Are you Morris? You just Morris back here? You just on vacation at the lake and we picked you up and you're like, hey, take me back to my yacht.
This cat has green eyes though, and he has literally orange eyes.
He's the same color as, he's like the solid orange.
Yes.
Cat, some hippies probably lost him in the fucking woods.
Yes.
Who else brings cats to the woods? The hippies living in their van, probably. Later, loves. Oh, the Love's truck.
Love's
Man,
truck.
Love's truck really looks nice. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it's the same color as a cat too.
Yeah. If this cat was a truck. All right, we're gonna get home. I'm probably not gonna film anymore until we get home. And what a turn of events. Keep you guys posted. Okay. So for right now, we got a cat in this little box, and it's not particularly like, well, it's sort of a big box. He's got a place to sleep. He's got food and water. Like I can't let him out right now because I'm afraid our cat that we already have. Anyway, keep you all updated. Praying mantis. Y'all. Y'all. Praying mantis, y'all. Ah!